Today we have another tricky math problem that looks super easy, but most people actually get it wrong. Take a look at this expression. 2 minus 5 multiplied by open bracket 2 minus 5 close bracket. At first glance, many people quickly say the answer is 9. Why? Because they rush to solve 2 minus 5 first, which gives negative 3, and then they multiply negative 3 by negative 3 to get positive 9. Sounds correct, right? Well, that answer is completely wrong. And this is exactly why understanding the order of operations is so important in mathematics. To solve this correctly, we have to follow PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us the correct order for solving math expressions. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, while A and S stand for addition and subtraction. This means we must always solve what is inside the parentheses first before moving to multiplication or subtraction outside. But before we continue, if you enjoy these tricky math problems and want to challenge your brain every day, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's continue. Inside the parentheses we have 2 minus 5, which gives us negative 3. Now the expression becomes 2 minus 5 multiplied by negative 3. At this stage, many people still make another mistake. They immediately do 2 minus 5 first again. But according to PEMDAS, multiplication must come before subtraction. So we solve 5 multiplied by negative 3, which gives us negative 15. Now the expression becomes 2 minus negative 15. And remember, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. So this turns into 2 plus 15. And finally, 2 plus 15 equals 17. So the correct answer to this problem is 17, not 9. Did you get it correct on your first try? Let me know in the comments.